Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to enable auto volume adjustment on your Android mobile using the TikTok app. This feature helps control the sound automatically for a better listening experience. Follow these simple steps carefully to set it up quickly and easily. Let's start now. First, open the TikTok app on your Android mobile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner. Then, select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down the list until you see Playback. Finally, tap Playback, and finally, turn on the toggle for Auto Volume Adjustment. That's all you need to do to enable auto volume adjustment on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if this video helped you. See you next time.